everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our latest tips on personal finance and money management. Today we have a topic that's absolutely essential for everyone: how to be great with your money. And in this video, we will cover some practical strategies to help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. So let's dive right in. Setting financial goals. The first step to becoming great with your money is setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or investing for retirement, having well-defined objectives will keep you focused and motivated. Take a moment to jot down your short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial goals. Budgeting basics. Now that you have your goals set, let's talk about budgeting. Creating a budget is crucial to understand where your money is going and to ensure you're living within your means. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a few months to get a clear picture of your spending habits. There are various budgeting apps available that can make this process easier. Once you know where your money is going, you can allocate funds to specific categories such as housing, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Paying off debt. Debt can be a significant burden on your financial journey, so it's essential to develop a plan to pay it off. Focus on high-interest debts first, like credit card debt, and consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to tackle your debts systematically. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debt first, while the avalanche method targets the debt with the highest interest rate. Whichever method you choose, the key is to stay disciplined and consistent. Emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund is crucial to deal with unexpected expenses without derailing your financial progress. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. This fund will provide you with peace of mind and act as a safety net during challenging times. Investing. Once you have your debts under control and an emergency fund in place, it's time to focus on investing. Investing allows your money to work for you and grow over time. Consider opening a retirement account like a 401k or IRA, as they offer tax advantages and can significantly boost your savings in the long run. If you are new to investing, start with low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which offer diversifications and are less risky than individual stocks. Avoid impulse spending. It's easy to fall into the trap of impulse spending, especially with the convenience of online shopping. Before making any non-essential purchases, take a step back and ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals. Try implementing a cooling-off period before buying anything significant to prevent impulsive decisions that you may regret later. Continuous learning. Financial literacy is an ongoing journey, and there's always something new to learn. Stay informed about personal finance topics through books, podcasts, and reputable websites. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to make informed financial decisions. Congratulations! You're well on your way to becoming great with your money. Remember, it's all about setting clear goals, budgeting wisely, paying off debt, building an emergency fund, and investing for the future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. As always, remember that financial success takes time and discipline, so be patient with yourself. Feel free to leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay financially empowered.